Hello everyone, my friends. In this video I'm going to tell you about my parrot and share my story about how to teach a parrot to talk. Let me start by telling you a little backstory about my parrot. This albatross, he will turn exactly 3 years old this May. He knows about 8 words and says them every day about 2 to 3 times, very often, very clearly. He took a long time to learn. He learned to talk, or rather, it took him a long time to speak clearly. Then more words started to come in. But from the very beginning, it was about not even after 6 months. Literally, after 2-3 months. After we bought him, he started talking right away. Let me show you a short clip, a little video right now. It's where he just starts to talk, and you can't quite hear all the words clearly. Well, friends, I think you watched and saw how he was talking. And now let's move on. Look. He's already 3 years old. In order for the parrot to learn to talk, many people write that you should get a parrot from a chick. Not from a store, because in a store they can live for a long time, and then you buy them, and you won't be able to teach them to talk. I got Zora from a breeding facility. People breed cows. As soon as he hatched, it's been, I don't know, about a month and a half since Zora hatched, and I'm not sure how long you can wait before giving them away. I didn't give him away. It was clear that he was a chick. He was still quite small, and he had these little feathers on him. There were a lot of little feathers, and I took him. At first, he was wild, and we taught him to sit on our finger. So he didn't want to do it for a long time. He was afraid, but they tamed him. Then, they taught him, feed Zora with a spoon. He ate food with a spoon. The term, he didn't want the term, he was afraid, but now everything is fine. How to teach him to talk. Every time they came up to him, they took him, called his bird Zora, and they said Zora bird, Zora, good, Zora, well done, and so on. Those are the words. So, you want to teach him to talk? After a while, and at the same time, after a month, we started to hear him begin to say those words. And then he started to speak more and more clearly, articulating, so to speak, like a child. And now he speaks very clearly. Very well. He knows about 10 words. He says them when he can say a few words. During his conversation all the time, then he adds more and more. So he alternates as he wants, just like he does with us, the birds. Well done. So, friends, let me show you a video of how Zora talks. I filmed him yesterday, and I'll show you how he speaks as of today. Good bird. Well done. Good bird, smart one, smart one. Good boy. Good boy. Little chicken, Zora, little chicken, and bird. Well done. Well done, Zurich. Zurich. This is how our little one talks today. As you can see, he articulates clearly. You can hear all the words. It's really funny, we really like it, how he talks. And let's highlight the most important factors for your parrot to learn how to talk. Karelians talk more often than ballistics. Although ballistics also talk often, Karelians still talk more frequently. You need to have the parrot with you from a very young age, from the very beginning of his life. We need him not to be afraid of you. We need him not to be afraid of Gushi. Never chase him. He doesn't want to go right away. The parrot won't go right away. It's hard to tame. Gradually tame him. So the parrot shouldn't be afraid of you. And then he will talk. Approach him, keep saying the same phrases over and over. To teach him to talk. Yes, Gorgik. Let's give him all sorts of treats. We give him apples. He loves boiled eggs. We give him other fruits, carrots. We give him... So like these... There is a list of what was not taken. This is parsley. Some others. There are vegetables and fruits. Can you read about it? I'm not going to tell you about that. I'm talking about how to teach him to talk. So the parrot shouldn't be afraid of you. He needs to be confident. He shouldn't get distracted by fear. He shouldn't get distracted by anything else. He needs to feel confident, and then he will learn to talk to you. It should be placed in a cozy spot, the cage should be there, and it shouldn't have any drafts. Of course, it would be preferable for one edge to be near the wall. Don't shout in his ear, Zora. Okay? And then everything will be fine with him. Well, here we have raised one like this. Here is the pet, as you can see. A little harmful, or rather, not harmful but fun. Takes off. So, friends, well, if you liked the video, then subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Zora, say goodbye to everyone. In general, goodbye everyone, and check out our other videos. And let your pets talk to you, and don't hurt them. Good luck to all.